Today we're about to do the high pressure line, the whole line. I know I had a video on the same line, but it was a shorter line. Now it's the whole line that goes all the way to the firewall. Mine is bent, so I have to change the whole thing. There's no bypassing that. If you know a way, let me know. But anyways, I gotta take off this whole right side here so we can take out the hose. It's a long hose and it goes all the way back there, or somewhere there. So we're gonna take this whole thing. Alright, so you can see what we're doing. So let's get it. If you have the stock intake, you have to take off the stock intake. This is pretty easy. All I gotta do is take off this 8mm here and basically take it off. I already took off the master sensor. As you see, it's here. Now, let's finish the rest. 8mm, 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 8mm. There's a hose here. Okay. Now I'm gonna remove this thing over here. That's for the intake. Pull it up. Okay, now I can see the hose. Now I have to remove all these plastic pieces here. Mine's come right off. If you have clips on yours, remove the clips that's on there. Now you have to remove this off the wipers. There's a 15 under there. 15 or 14 on those. Okay, take a pick and just take it off. There you go. Same thing with this. So this is a 14, not 15. 14. Yeah, all you gotta do is, I like pushing it like this, and it should come out. Same thing over here. Okay, let's remove this plastic piece. The whole thing. Take it off. Sometimes there's clips over here. Take them off. Mine does not have it. Any that I know of. Just because it's coming right out. Okay. Take that off. Okay, so this would be the same way if you're trying to replace the window motors. It's the same way to replace it, except taking off your intake. You just gotta take off all this and it'll be right here. But anyways, this is the hose over there. As you see, this is the line going there all the way to the firewall over there. As you see right here. Man, that dirty. I have to clean that up a little bit, vacuum that shit. But anyways, that's where it's supposed to go at. Alright, let's continue. Okay, so let's take off this line over here. I think it's already loose. Let's see. No, it's not. These don't really work for me, so I have to get mine and take this off. Okay, let's remove this. I got this thing. I got it from Harbor Freight, pretty cheap. So I go in there. Press in and you gotta pull on it. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Okay, so you're gonna have to do it with 2 hands to get this out. As you see, I don't know if you see. Okay, so basically you pull it out. See it right here. See? I use this Harbor Freight. Now I'm gonna use the same thing back here. Make sure you spray that with some, WD-40. And so we get a little lube in there. Try to take it out. If you use those white things and you take it out, I don't know how you do it, because I can't do it. But anyways, same way over here. The tool will have to go behind here to take it off. Let's see, let me try this again. This works. Okay, doesn't really work for me. But anyways, Just take the tool and try to take that out. Okay, so if you're saying to yourself, how I'm gonna fit that tool in there, this is how I fit it in there. I put that in there. I use a pry bar, so pry both of them open to get in there. Now I'm gonna try my best to basically pull that out. Okay, once you take that off right there, boom, that. This thing you see came out right there. Okay, there you go. Back this out. Okay, let's take this tool out. Okay, now let's remove this grommet out the way so we can get the hose. Okay, you gotta lift this up, get this out the way. Make sure you take off this bolt. I forgot to record that. I took off, there's a 10 mil here. Take it out, take it out so this could lift up. I was trying to take this off, but there's no need for this. Take this off. If you was wondering how we're gonna put this back in the grommet, there's a split over here for it. Okay, now basically let's remove the high line. This thing over here, take this off, and there's 10 mils here. Take those off, and this, so you can put this to the side. Okay, as you see, I moved this out the way over here. Now basically we're gonna take this out here, chop that over there, pull this out. There you go. There you have it. So this is where it was messed up at. It was right here. You see it's bent. You see that right there. If I bend it this way, you see that's where it was damaged. Okay, so I got a used one. Lucky I had one laying around somewhere. Now, same way we took it out, let's put it back in. I'm not sure if you want a new one. I don't know where to get it from. Maybe Z1, or you go to the dealer and get it. But yeah, all right, so I'm gonna route this thing in here, connect it up. Okay, you see I got it in there. Now I'm gonna connect everything back and pretty much putting it back together. Alrighty. Alright, so as you see, I put everything back. You see everything's here. Now I'm basically just, I have to put everything back together. Don't forget to put this back over here. Okay, grounds, and yeah, that's it. The intake. Oh yeah, I took this off there. The vacuum hose. Put that back. If you did, everything's good here. Now I'm gonna start putting these trims back on. Alright, intake and everything. Okay, you see everything's all back together. Now I'm gonna just recharge the AC, make sure there's no more leaks, and that's it, wrap it up. Alright, so helps you out, leave me a like, subscribe.